Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.
I can't believe I'm making an audio on this topic, and I have had fair amount of preconceived notions, just like you might while listening to this audio. But I am blown away by the accuracy of it, which is why I feel the need to make an entire audio about this thing. And no, I'm not gone crazy. I wish that was the case to, support all the things that I've read. But yeah, I I pretty much haven't found anything that has described my life and my traits as well as this. So yeah, I think when it comes to all of this astrology, numerology thing, I've always looked at it as, and I still do, as something to just be like, oh, okay, fine, and move on with your life. It's not, it's something that you do only out of curiosity, especially girls. I know they're very much into sun signs and I don't know, rising moon, whatever that is, वो सब मुझे कुछ idea नहीं है. And school maybe we just did it out of fun and there were like some hits and some misses. Some were like, okay, this is not me, this is me. And yeah, तो मैंने तब तक ही रखा था limited उन चीजों को. It has never felt something like, oh my god, this has the kind of accuracy I was always looking for and brought words to my emotions. Someone who gets it finally, kind of a thing. But I felt that with numerology. And yeah, it is quite unbelievable the kind of stuff that I've come across. And I link a few resources. I think, no, it's just one page, I guess. Yeah, which completely blew me away and Reddit experiences. But yeah, I guess let's get started into this. So I had no idea what numerology is and if it exists. I think my mom had sent me some video once and it was the funniest thing ever because, okay, so my birth date has the number 6 and like there are some characters related to entrepreneurship and business, some attributes are attached to that number. And my mom was like, Acha, why you did not get into NEET because you are a business person, you know? And like, I'm so happy and you will be doing fine financially. And I'm just like, what is this conversation? I did not see any part of that video, like most videos that your mom would send you on a personal WhatsApp. So yeah, I never really got around checking it out as much. But yeah, it seemed interesting. So the way you fill up these personality forms and what do you call it, BuzzFeed के वो सब test to see what kind of person you are. I think वो सब हमने किया है. But at the back of your mind, you know that you don't have to take it seriously. It's just something you do for fun's sake. And yeah, that's always how I've looked at it. Abhi bhi I have that kind of mindset, but I am a lot more open than I was in the past. So yeah, and that has only got to do with the accuracy. I know I'll keep saying accuracy a lot of times because no one has got like gets me the way this whole system has like in an instant, and it has put away all of my doubts. So yeah, brought me a lot of comfort, and anything that does that, I'm obviously gonna speak up about it. So yeah, anyways, I did not look into it that much, and then one day, I don't know, I just felt like I was free and I thought, let's get down in this rabbit hole. And I looked everything up. So turns out my birthday is on 6 Jan 2002 and I am a master number 11. You can see how to calculate your life path number. My number is 11 and you just need to add up your birth date, but you need to do it like month plus day plus year. Yeah, so individually करना है, उसके बाद उसका sum लेना है. if you're interested into it, you just look it up and do it well. I think you can also, there are automated ways where you just put down your birth date and check it up. Try cross checking with one or two sites क्योंकि कभी कभी गलत भी आ सकता है. But yeah, manually भी करना है. It's very easy. Like कुछ दिमाग लगाने जितना नहीं है, so don't worry about it. But yeah, so पहले तो when I read about this whole master number 11 things, I was actually blown away कि क्या क्या लिखा है. And it was, I think I was 22 at the time and I had known nothing about numerology, but it felt like finally someone has put down all my life experiences and aspirations in one place. And I have so much more clarity now because I see it in front of me. अभी मुझे नहीं पता ये चीजें कैसे वर्क करती है, ये लाइक सोलर सिस्टम एंड लाइक प्लैनेट्स का क्या होता है एंड द नंबर्स. बट आई हैड रेड समवेयर दैट बिफोर you take your birth, you choose your birth date, so that has some significance. वो चीज तो change नहीं हो सकती है. So I kind of get that. Maybe the kind of life I wanted, I would have chosen this particular number, and there's some energy attached to it. हो सकता है. But yeah, once that. And second, I am not really that into when, so once I started getting into numerology, of course I started getting YouTube ads and ads from everywhere about the same thing. And hey Bhagwan, I hate those ads because it was all like कि तुम तुम्हारे फोन नंबर के 2 नंबर चेंज कर दो, तुम्हारे नाम में कुछ चेंज कर दो and you'll be successful immediately. So I don't get, वो मुझे फ्रॉड ही लगता है. Just to know you, just to let you know कि I have not completely bought it, every single aspect of it, और इतना भोला नहीं है दिमाग. So chill, relax. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है that, yeah, I'm not that crazy about it. I'm just letting you know about this so that you get some clarity and comfort that you have felt was missing out in your life for so long. Because I have genuinely felt that after reading up about this whole thing. So, yeah, anyway, where was I? हाँ, तो ये सब चलता रहा. And I would also suggest, take it with a pinch of salt कि like you're talking to a friend and तुम बस ऐसे, if your friend would advise you on something, तुम शायद उसको ऐसे हमेशा के लिए सीरियसली ना लो, बट तुम सुन लोगे तो जस्ट सुन लो. जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम्हें मानना ही है या ऐसा कुछ है. बट या इफ यू गो अहेड विद दैट माइंडसेट ऑफ जस्ट लिसनिंग टू अ फ्रेंड, you'll feel a lot more open and you'll also be like, I don't have to accept all of it. But yeah, there are parts of this that make so much more sense than anything that I've ever read about myself before. So go in it with the mindset of, yeah, just a casual conversation with a friend who has known me for years and is coming up with this evaluation. तो yeah, that helps me. So yeah, anyway, तो मैं उसी mindset की तरफ से जाती थी and then on and off मेरा चलते रहता था. Then yesterday, I don't know why, I just felt like looking up on Reddit about master number 11 के real life experiences, people who have that number, life path number. And oh my God, I felt seen and heard like never before. So there was this one time जब भी मेरा एक पूरा ऐसा आइसोलेटिंग फेज चल रहा था, like before this year as well, where I was very much into consuming all spiritual concepts and trying to bring it into my life. And it came out of nowhere. मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या है, but it was a very dramatic phase. मतलब I was completely sucked into it. And one of my friends was just like, you need to be grounded in physical reality. And I get where you're coming from, but, and I just told them, I don't know how to explain it to you, but this feels like the most right thing that I've done in my life. And I'm not trying to stay in that whole consumption mode and like I really want to be in touch with the spiritual world. It's just coming to me and I'm not able to stop it. It's like this tap of water that has been opened and I don't have the control over switching it off because it has generated so much curiosity out of me that I'm just on and on and on, and I can't find a way to explain it to you. And they came from a good side. They just wanted me to get back to life, kind of a thing. But I just felt completely misunderstood at that point. And I also had like a doubt ki, am I really out of touch with the physical reality or something like that? But then I went around the whole thing and dissected it a bit and told them that, you know what, it's difficult to explain. I don't think you're getting it right. So let's not, unless I get the clarity around it, I won't be able to explain what's happening with me to you. And that's exactly how I felt when I was reading up about these experiences. Because when they spoke about what they were going through, as we share the same life path number, I could totally relate to it and like understand where they were coming from. And that really made a lot of difference. Like, okay, so disclaimer, if you're a master number 11, put it down in the comments. I would love to have a chat with you and we can, yeah, just discuss how our experiences and everything has shaped us. But yeah, master number 11, as you would have like assumed from my page by now, is called the messenger, the illuminator kind of a person, and who is very much in touch with the spiritual realm. And no wonder why I feel the need to keep going back to it, and I love the topic so much. They're also known to help others and have something of that sort. एंड ये सब तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था बिफोर आई रेड. उसके पहले से ही आई हैव हैड दिस फीलिंग ऑफ अवेकनिंग स्पिरिचुअली एंड हेल्पिंग अदर्स फाइंड देमसेल्व्स. तो वो मोटा मोटा मुझे पहले से ही पता था. इट्स नॉट दैट न्यूमरोलॉजी आ गई उसके बाद मैंने ऐसे शिफ्ट कर दिया मेरा पर्सपेक्टिव, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. आई वॉज पहले से ही दिस पर्सन. Knowing about it refined my process better and brought me comfort. And again, I feel like it was divine intervention. I had to know about it when I had to, and because I was going through a lot of confusion and changes in my life. So reading up about my life path number and what it entails really helped me a lot to stay calm and accept what's coming. So yeah, I also, like this one psychic mentioned once, when it comes to these things, people just want to know what phase of life they are in so that they can be better prepared. Like मुझे नहीं चाहिए कि तुम मुझे रोड मैप दे दो और predictions दे दो या ऐसा कुछ. I just want to know a rough, ये कि अभी ये phase में you are bound to feel this way, and like once you have this, क्या बोलते हैं, comfort of knowing कि you're not going crazy and this is one phase of your life or this is normal, then you are better prepared for it and you don't like you're not caught off guard and be like क्या हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ में, why am I not able to get a grip of it. So वो वाली फीलिंग बहुत ज़्यादा कम हो जाती है once you understand these phases and yeah, try to be more open about the whole thing. That being said, I don't think you should take it as seriously that it affects your daily life. कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि अरे मैंने तो पढ़ा था कि 25 में मुझे सक्सेस मिल जाएगी पर अभी तक मिली नहीं है एंड ये होना चाहिए था वो होना चाहिए था. लाइक डोंट गेट इनटू योर हेड विथ दोज थिंग्स. उसको ऐसे पत्थर की लकीर मान के मत चलो, उसको पकड़ के मत बैठो एंड डोंट इनवाइट the wrong things in your life because there could be some places where, for example, मेरे में ऐसा है कि emotional sensitivity is very high and I am aware of it, but I don't want to have a negative mindset around it and then attract something wrong, which was not the case ऐसे पहले से. So if you are the kind of person who gets very stuck up on these things, तो तुम मत check करो भाई, रहने दो, it's okay. But I really wanted to know what other people experience and what phase of life I'm in, and कुछ मुझे थोड़ी बहुत भी clarity मिल जाती है ना तो I stick on that. So yeah, I'm open, but I also like to have like a rough, vague kind of an idea कि ये चीज़ें नॉर्मल है एंड होती है. It's your personality, it's the kind of life you've chosen. So I like the clarity that comes with it. And I don't take it to my mind, but yeah, it's enough for me to calm my nerves. So the calming the nerves is the best part, and like the connection that you feel with a fellow person who shares the same path as you. So yeah, anyway, so all of this happened, and after that, the resource that I'm going to link that completely changed my perspective was about Pinnacle Cycles, and I read up about it from a Reddit thread itself. Someone suggested reading up about pinnacles and yeah, seeing how that can bring more clarity. So Pinnacle Cycles was the reason why I wanted to come up and talk about this. वरना मैंने काफी देख रखा है and I've forgotten about this whole thing. I've never like looked into it as much and ऐसे इतना amazed नहीं हो चुकी हूँ मैं. But when it came to Pinnacle Cycles, I really felt like, yeah, this is literally me and my journey so far. So, yeah, Pinnacle Cycles is basically there are four pinnacles or phases in your life. And first phase or first pinnacle is, it depends on your life path number और क्या है, but वो last करता है till your mid-20s or 30s तक. It depends like person to person, but yeah, that's the first pinnacle. Second pinnacle is for the next 9 years. The third pinnacle is for next 9 years, and फिर fourth pinnacle is उसके बाद तक death तक जो भी time you live, that is your fourth pinnacle. So yeah, that is also related to birth date, and you just need to calculate a few things and then you come up with the number. तो वो सब ठीक है. उसके बाद they have given this whole process कि हर phase of life में तुम्हारे तो like मेरा first pinnacle is till 25 years of age or something, and it is filled with spiritual development, exploration, and self-discovery, and just getting as much as you can connect to yourself. And I can fully feel that. बाकी सारे phases तो मेरे साथ हुए ही नहीं है, but ये phase में जो जो लिखा था उन्होंने, एक एक word was something that I've felt and something that I've known in my bones. So yeah, it really blew me away with the kind of clarity that came up. And ये तो फिर भी free content ऊपर से. I'm sure if you are serious about it and get closer into other people's experiences. Yeah, what really helped me cement these things is when I read up about बाकी लोगों के experiences, and that makes you feel less crazy. कि oh my god, there's someone out there experiencing the same things as I do, और मुझे अब तक लगता था कि मैं ही I'm losing my mind or something like that. But when you see that they are going through the same thing, you really feel so much at peace कि भाई, I am normal, everything is okay, and you can really connect with someone on a deeper level. And yeah, you would know that they will understand, like they will get it. No one might, but this particular person will get it because they've had the same experiences in their life. So yeah, that's what I love about it. At the end, I just look at it as a way to understand yourself better. If there is anything that helps me in my journey of self-discovery, I will come out here and share about it and just look at it from that mindset. If you are someone who is not into esoteric stuff and feels very skeptic about this, I'm telling you, I felt the same way. But when I gave it a try out of curiosity, I was genuinely taken aback in a good way. So, yeah, I would like for you to have that experience as well. That being said, I want to repeat it again. उसको पत्थर की लकीर लेके मत चलो, because the biggest power that you have is to be able to mold your minds through mold your mind and use your thoughts to create your reality. So we don't want that you use these techniques or read up about these things and make up excuses for what you're facing in life. You can always change any moment, and sometimes it's okay to not know things, वरना शायद तुम जान के खराब भी कर दो through your own expectations or the thoughts that you are bringing into your reality. So if you're that kind of person who cannot control it as well, then ठीक है, but I think I would have induced enough curiosity in you to check it out. तो but मेरा काम था fair warning देना, so I'm just giving that. Because so my dad is a master number 11 as well, मुझे बाद में समझ में आया. And there's this notion, तुम सारे articles पढ़ोगे, master number 11 are said to be late bloomers or old souls. Old soul is someone who has lived a lot of lives, past lives, and they mature early, ऐसा सब बोला जाता है. And late bloomers is that they achieve success later in life. And success could be very different. It could be in terms of money, in terms of wisdom, in terms what are you calling it as. So late bloomers, I feel it is in the sense ki you go through a lot of challenges early on, and then that adds to your wisdom and your soul character going forward. So it is said कि you receive your due credit in your 30s or 40s, like थोड़ा late आता है and all of that. And I freaked out. I was like, भाई, I need to be financially stable. मैं तब तक नहीं wait कर सकती. But my dad has been successful quite early on in his life. So yeah, successful in the material sense. तो yeah, डोंट टेक इट एज सीरियसली. मुझे लगा कि अरे सक्सेस मतलब पैसे मुझे 30 तक के बाद ही आएगा या समथिंग लाइक दैट. But no, that's not the case, because I have an example right in front of me, and my dad has created his life through his thoughts and actions, not through some belief that he held close to. So, yeah. And I totally understand late bloomers could be something related to your spiritual evolution. It's not necessarily related to money. But जब मैंने पहली बार पढ़ा था तो मैं थोड़ी डर गई थी. So now I can understand it better, and I have that much openness to experiment and not take it as seriously. But तभी के लिए I was quite sad. But yeah, फिर बाद में मुझे पता चला अरे my dad was successful like conventionally. So ऐसा नहीं है कि late bloom हुए या something. तो yeah, it depends. At the end, your life is literally the product of your thoughts and actions. So yeah, कोई भी चीज़ को इतना सीरियसली मत ले लो कि तुम्हें लगे तुम चेंज ही नहीं कर सकते, डेस्टिनी है, ऐसा सब नहीं. वो थोड़ा पार्ट प्ले करता है वो, बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स बिगर दैन यू using your thoughts and actions well. That is enough to change everything in your life. Of course, there could be some moments and challenges, and if there is something that helps you make sense of it, yeah, go ahead and check it out. Like, I really wanted to make sense of the kind of experiences and challenges that I was having. तो अभी मुझे ऐसे I can feel like, yeah, I am more than ready to take up all the challenges. वरना पहले it was just like अरे किसी ने फेंक दिया है और कितना figure out वाला फेज ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा. तो now I have some ऐसे relief about the whole thing. So yeah, I only take what's useful and what's positive. बाकी सब मैं छोड़ देती हूँ. So that's my whole idea when it comes to these things. And yeah, I guess. Okay, so master number 11 क्यों बोलते हैं इसको? So there are 3 numbers. This is just extra for people who are interested. 11, 22 and 33 are called the master numbers because they have like some higher vibration या फिर potential या जो भी है. But that's a lot of people feel like, oh, I wanted a master number, but it comes with additional number of challenges and pain. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें सक्सेस मिल रही है तो एकदम चिल चल रहा है एंड लाइक वो पोटेंशियल एंड ऑल, बट या यू नीड टू एंड्योर दैट मच ऑफ पेन like more than a normal person. So yeah, I don't know if it's the best thing to have. So yeah, I know I've had times when I've felt amazing, and then there are times where I have been to the brink of destruction. So yeah, sometimes I feel like living a normal person जैसे, and like not being so affected by everything, and yeah, just being happy and present and things like that. But ठीक है, with its challenges and with everything that comes up, I am happy to accept it because now I have some explanation for it. So yeah, it helps me better. But yeah, I guess that's all that I wanted to share. If you made it this far, thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.
Free audio post production by alphonic.com.